Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about the TI-36X Pro, which as far as I can tell is the most advanced scientific calculator that's allowed on the Fundamentals of Engineering exam, which is the exam that most engineers will take when they graduate from their bachelor's program. My reviews tend to get really long-winded, so I'll try to keep it simple. But let me just say right now that I would suggest if you are an engineer to buy this calculator or whichever calculator you plan on using on the test as soon as possible and start using it instead of your more advanced graphing calculators like my TI-89 Titanium. So we'll just get down and dirty. First of all, it's got pretty print, which means that if you want to do 2 square root 2 over 3, it will actually write it out as if you were writing it on a sheet of paper, and it will give you exact answers as well as approximates. It can find instantaneous rate of change for functions at specific points, as you can see there. That's essentially evaluating the derivative for the function y equals x squared at x equals 4. And it will also do the same with definite integrals. So we're going to find the definite integral of y equals x squared from 0 to 2, which is the area under the curve, or the area between the function's curve and the x-axis. And that evaluates at 2 and 2 2/3. As you can see there, 8/3. It will also do conversions. So let's say I have 10 centimeters. I can convert that from centimeters to inches. You can also solve equations. So if we have, this I typed in earlier, if we have 19x to the third equals 68, it will actually find the answer for you. It can generate random numbers. You can input data as lists, and you can then manipulate that data to come up with regressions. So there you have it. It does linear regressions, quadratic, cubic, natural log, power, and exponential regressions, as well as some statistic stuff. It does matrices, and it has a vector calculator, which I really haven't used yet, but you can write up your vectors, and it will allow you to find dot products and add, subtract them, multiply them, all that good stuff. It displays pi as an actual thing, and you can double tap it to get E, or you can triple tap it to get I. So we can do E to the third. It has a lot of constants. Speed of light, gravity, Planck's constant, Avogadro's number, ideal gas constant, all sorts of things, mass of neutrons, electrons, muons, universal gravity constant, etc., all the way down. It's got quite a bit. It also has units as well. Haven't really played around with that stuff yet, but it'll solve polymetric equations. And I don't know what this is, but maybe you guys know. You might find that interesting. You can convert, like, you can take 16 and convert that into base 2 binary. You can also do it with hexadecimal, binary, decimal, octagonal, octatal, I don't know what it's called. And yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I haven't really covered. I just kind of tried to blow through it. It's a really great calculator. You should get it as soon as you can afford to. Mine cost me $26 at Staples. it's going to pretty much replace my TI-89 for 99% of my work at this point. And that's really about it. So, normally I would have taken more time, but I wanted to really blow through it. That way I didn't bore you guys. So there's a little... That should let you see mostly what the functions are. Looks like I'm getting a phone call. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Take it easy, and yeah, keep up the good work.